In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in draw.io for interactive diagrams in Confluence. We'll start by opening Confluence and creating a new page. From your space, click to add a page and give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. Insert a draw.io diagram or open an existing one if you've already started. This takes you into the draw.io editor where we'll set up layers and then add clickable switches that control what viewers see directly on your Confluence page. First, let's organize your diagram into layers. Open the Layers dialog by going to View, then Layers. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift 12 on Windows or CMD plus Shift 12 on a Mac. In the Layers panel, click the plus icon to add new layers and double-click a layer's name to rename it. Use names that make sense at a glance, like baseline, details, or annotations. Select a layer to make it the active one. Any new shapes you draw will go to that layer automatically. To assign existing shapes to a layer, either drag them directly within the diagram and use the Layers panel's 3 dots menu to move them, or select the shapes first and choose a destination layer from that same menu. You can also control visibility by clicking the eye icon next to each layer. Hiding layers is a great way to focus on one part of your diagram while you work, and it's exactly how we'll build interactivity. Take a moment to check that each element lives on the right layer, because a tidy layer structure makes everything else smoother. Now let's create interactive switches. Add a new layer dedicated to these controls. This is where your buttons or icons will live. On this layer, place simple shapes like buttons or labels that your viewers will click to show or hide other layers. Right-click a switch shape and choose Edit Link. In the link dialog, select Web Link, then paste the URL for the action you want to trigger. You can find this link in the layer information inside the Layers dialog. Repeat this for each switch you need, and keep the switch layer visible so the controls remain clickable. Style your switches consistently so viewers recognize them, and test by clicking each one in the editor to confirm it toggles the correct layer. That's it. Your Confluence page now has an interactive draw.io diagram powered by layers and switches.